Hi, and welcome to TripAid. In this video, I'm going to explain why TripAid is the perfect messaging app for school trips, as it allows teachers and students to message and locate each other during a school trip without any contact details being shared. Here I'll run through how a school can register for TripAid and how easy it is to use the app on all the school's trips. So how does a school's educational visits coordinator register for TripAid? Well, if you are the school EVC, simply go to our website, tripaid.co.uk, then click Register in the top right corner. Fill in your details and click Register your school. You will then be taken to your dashboard, which will become live once payment has been completed. We do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try TripAid for a month risk-free. To access the payment page, click the link in the top grey banner, and you or your finance team can follow the prompts to our PayPal payment page. Once you've logged in, it couldn't be easier to create a trip. From the dashboard, click Create Trip, then give the trip a start time, an end time, a name and a location, and hit Save. It takes seconds. The school can create an unlimited number of trips during their subscription, so TripAid can be used on all the school's trips. Upon creating a trip, the EVC will find two codes on the trip details. This is also sent out to you in an automated email upon the creation of every trip. One code is for teachers and one is for students. And this can also be found in the My Trips section under the View icon. Students' code can go out by the parental consent letter for the trip, and the teacher code can go out via school email to the teachers on that trip. The teachers and students download our app for free from the Play Store or App Store, and then select their school from the drop-down list. They type in their name, their code, and click Join Your Trip. This takes them to the pre-trip page here on the right. The key thing to note on this page for teachers is the Begin button under the Register. This button is available to all teachers on this trip, and it is important to note that before pressing Begin, you should check the register to make sure everyone has logged on to the trip. This is because once the Begin button is pressed, the student code will no longer work, so no one else can log on to the trip using that code. TripAid is designed that way, so that once the teacher has checked the register and is happy everyone's logged on, no one else can join the trip without the teachers being aware. Once the trip has begun, the other users need to open the app to first register their location. We recommend that a teacher checks the register and presses Begin at the start of the trip when all the students are present, for example on the coach. The teacher can then ask everyone to open the app to check it is working, which will start the location sharing process. After this is done once, a user's live location will continue to be tracked even if the app is closed. To save battery life, a user's location is only recorded when on the move, so any locations not updated for a while are due to the user staying in one location. For example, they're in their hotel room. During a trip, teachers can see and message all of the users on the trip, but students can only see or message teachers. The teacher can also click on the menu on the top left corner of the screen and end the trip early, add a new individual student, or edit the end time of the trip, and this edit will appear on the EVC's dashboard. In chats, you'll see all the conversations that you create with other users, and all users are in a default chat group called Teachers Announcements. In this chat, only teachers can post, perfect for posts like Meet and Reception in 10 minutes. At the end of the trip, all users are automatically removed from the group, meaning when a teacher or student opens the app again, they will be returned to the login page, meaning they can no longer access anyone from the ended trip. TripAid couldn't be easier to set up and use on your school trips, so why not sign your school up and start making your school trips easier for teachers and safer for students?